Am I the only one that didn't know you can earn rewards on your ETH without locking it away forever? Turns out there's a token for that. Let's talk about stETH. So, what exactly is stETH? stETH stands for Lido Staked Ether. It's a token you get when you stake your ETH using Lido. Think of it as a receipt that proves you staked ETH but also automatically collects your staking rewards over time. Here's how it works. When you deposit ETH into Lido, you instantly receive stETH tokens. These tokens represent your initial ETH plus any rewards you earn from staking. Each day, your stETH balance updates to reflect those new rewards, meaning you literally see your balance grow. But here's the catch. Right now you can't swap your stETH back for regular ETH until Ethereum 2.0 fully merges. Because of this, the market price of stETH can sometimes dip below regular ETH. As of June 2022, one stETH was trading at about 0.955 ETH. That difference? It's mostly about liquidity and risk, since you're relying on the future merge and on Lido's smart contracts. But stETH isn't just for holding. You can use it across decentralized finance or DeFi for things like lending, borrowing, yield farming, so your ETH keeps earning even while it's staked. So if you want your ETH to multitask, earning staking rewards and staying liquid in DeFi, stETH could be your next move. Just remember, do your own research and know the risks before you dive in. Ready to let your ETH do more? Check out stETH and see how you can start stacking rewards today.